Hi, I'm Joanne James, the Crafty Owl, and I'm going to show you how to make a super simple stamping birthday card in under a minute. Here goes. So all you need to make this card is a Whisper White card base. Mine is a standard half a sheet of A4. A piece of Bright's DSP in the colour of your choice. Today I'm using Poppy Parade. This is from the 6x6 pack. And then you need a Memento Black ink pad, 4 stamping blends, so ivory, a colour lifter, and then light and dark in whichever shade that you're using for your project, and a stamp set. And for today I'm using Beautiful You. So all we're going to do is take our trimmer and our DSP. We're going to cut a 1 inch strip and then just trim that to the length of our card front, like so. And then we're just going to stick this down the left hand side of our card with a little bit of Tombow. That's the other thing that you need. We're just going to literally stick that on there like so. There are a variety of different stamps in this stamp set, but for today's I am going to use this Happy Birthday Gorgeous sentiment, which I'm going to ink in Memento Black and pop in the corner, the bottom right hand corner of my card, like so. And then I'm going to take this image of the lady in her hat, ink it with my Memento Black, put that to the left of my sentiment, at the right of my DSP strip, and there we go, done. And then all we need to do is colour our image using our blends. And there you go, one really simple birthday card done. Simple stamping at its best.